the expert, the one, the only, second Tony!
What is a landfill and resource recovery centre?
What we're looking behind you here is this is a class 1 landfill site, so that's top notch. Now we collect all of the rubbish from households and commercial properties in Taupo and the district, and we bring it up here. And as you can see, those machines there, they spread it out, all the bags. And you know what, we collect around about 30,000 tonnes a year of rubbish from the whole of the Taupo district.
What's going to happen when the hole is full? Where will all the rubbish go?
So you're right there, we've only got a certain amount of capacity left where we're looking at this moment. Now our current consent for the landfill expires in December 2027. That's only next year. So what we're doing is we're submitting a new resource consent to operate a landfill to Waikato Regional Council, and we're asking if we can operate a landfill for up to another 30 years.
What about Mount Tauhara?
It's unfortunate we've got a landfill right here at the base of Tauhara, and we know that this is obviously a very sacred mountain and a waihi tapu site for the Te Hukawai Hapu Collective, and we've been having many conversations with Hapu around the location here. So yeah, we definitely acknowledge that the importance of the manga.
Thanks, Tony, too, for this whole lot of rubbish.